Hi, you're welcome to Create Curiosity. Today I will show you another wonderful platform, another wonderful strategy you can adopt. What? You can adopt to make some good changes for yourself, to make some good changes for yourself online. Quickly go to your Chrome browser and search for a site named canva.com. Canva, what is canva.com? Canva is a graphic design platform that enables you to design anything that relates to logo design, flyers, business cards, and many more. And many more. So we'll be utilizing the benefit of this platform to leverage other sites, to leverage other sites. These are the top categories on this platform. You can see mobile video. You can also create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram post, logo design, story, and YouTube channel. So we need the logo design. So that's what we need. So this is the logo design. What you just need to do regarding this all this design work is to just click on one and what and reframe it and reframe it and reframe it. So that's just it. Now I will show you the top site you can go what to make fun for yourself. Go to a site named DesignCrowd.com. DesignCrowd.com. What is a DesignCrowd.com? It's a platform where what company go then submit design, that is a good year to hire logo designer. They go there to hire logo designer. They look okay, they submit their design, then you who have knowledge on how to design logos and etc. can check on those design, then you start working on it. But it's all about competition in every job. So this is the platform design. You can get perfect custom design every time with the world's number one custom design marketplace. Our design, logo design, business card design, web design, flyer design, graphic design, t-shirt design, and many more. And many more. So, what? You can just click on get started. What design do you need? You can choose. But before that, I'm going to show you how you can log in. Log in out. So, if you are new, just click on get started. Then what, you input your email address. Then you need to confirm. Click here to log in or sign up as a designer. That's what you need. Then you input your email, your password, and you click on let's go. Click on let's go. Click on let's go. Then you'll be taken to next page. Then you fill in your information. Since I've already done that, but let me do, okay, let me use another, let me show you the process. Then click on let's go. Then you also save it. So this is it. Then you add your display name, your first name, your last name, your Nigeria, your country, wherever country you are. If you need payment through PayPal or Payoneer, then you can choose one. The payment email. So that's it. So display name, first name, last name, then what's your Payoneer, choose whatever best method you wanted to receive your payment. I'll be using my Payoneer account. You can also choose your PayPal account, but I'll be using my Payoneer account. So payment. So this is how the platform looks like. This is how the platform looks like. Then you need to activate your account and minimum. So that's just it. That's it. Then what? You can see choose what type of design you are below. Then click continue to get started. See. Select the design. I will be selecting the logo design category. Then continue. They say you can choose multiple type. I'm choosing logo design, business card, then flyer, then continue. Let's see. So yes, you can see. So recommended jobs. These are the recommended jobs available. You can see employers have already submitted their job. What you just need, okay, so just register on this platform, then search for a job which you wanted to do. Then you can see this job. 7 days left. Logo design for BAD as marketing startup. Logo design for Fairs Call Center. Just click on this. Logo design for Fairs Call Center startup. Since they already have 2 designers. So now, they are going to pay the best designer, the one that meets what their own takes, the one that suits their own takes specifically. So you can see something in my back office 365 is consulting company for small businesses that specialize in providing phone support and call answering services for overwhelmed small business owners. We provide additional consulting services that help owners scale their companies to 7 figures and beyond. You can see. So this is it. First place in total. So you can then apply. Then once you register on this platform, then you apply. Then you submit your design. You can open the need design. This is the discussion board. Add your question below. I need a design. Then this is the logo design brief. So then once you have successfully created your own design, then you can submit. So that's it. Just kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop awesome video just like this. Thanks.